Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert DBX to MSG. Search on Google to cover DBX Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your DBX files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing DBX files. Select DBX Files folder. Check the folder. Click on MSG. Select Destination folder. Save messages in default folders option. Migrate source folders to existing and matching destination folders. File naming option. Trial version converts limited 25 items by license to get the unlimited access. By activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Converted MSG file.